Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be creating a makeup look that is perfect for the Valentine's Day using products that I know my friends have. So I'm using like 5 products for this look. So basically I used a BB cream. I used the Pond's BB cream, which I think most of my friends have and most of the people have. I used a mascara, I used a eyeliner. I used a gel eyeliner, but you can use any other eyeliner you want to. Also, I used a lipstick as a blush and a lipstick with 4 lip options. So, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye bye.
Hi again. I'll be using the Maybelline gel liner for my eyes. I'll be using the brush that comes with it. I'm starting with the eyes first because then it's easier to clean up if you make any mistakes. I'll be first creating a basic line and then creating a wing pointed towards the end of the eyes. You gotta make sure that both your eyes are even. I prefer a gel liner because it's dark and it lasts longer. Moving on to the face, I'll be using the Pond's BB cream. I won't be using a brush for this look. So the trick here is you want to dot it on your entire face using your fingers and blending it with your clean fingers. You can apply more where you need for more coverage. It oxidizes to match my skin tone, so it might be appearing to be lighter in the first, but then it all works out. Using a brown eye pencil to do my eyebrows, you want to hold the pencil as far as possible to apply the least amount of pressure, hence you will have more control over the eyebrow. Next is mascara. You can use any mascara you want. I'll be using the L'Oreal Miss Manga and will apply it to the upper and bottom lashes. You know the drill, you want to tilt your face at an angle to the mirror so that you can see all the lashes, and you want to coat even the smallest of lashes to get more wider and awake looking eyes. You can add and subtract products as per your will depending on what you have. Next, I'll be using the brown liner to on my crease and blending it with the smudger that comes along with it. It gives more definition to the eyes. You can skip the step if you want to. Next, I'll be using my 925 Lakme lipstick in the shade Scarlet Drill as my blush. I'll first take it at the back of my hand and using my fingers to apply on my cheeks. It gives more control. In case you go overboard like I did, you can always go back to the BB cream and use it to clean it up. I'll be using the same Lakme lipstick as my first lip option. If you're using a regular lipstick on a date night, it's better you use a nude one because it won't be that obvious when you are eating and doing stuff. My next lip option is the Colorbar Lip Stain in Hot Latte. It is perfect for all skin tones and it is a neutral, warm brown with pink undertones, and it's transfer proof. That is the best part. My next lip option is a 2000 Kisses lipstick in Red Run, hence preferable for Valentine's Day. I'll be linking all the products that I used in the bottom bar. All the products are very affordable and nothing is above 900 bucks. Next is my favorite Shampoo Transfer Proof in 406. It is a maroonish red color. You can use any color you want to for this look. Even purples and greys will look good with this look. It's up to you.
So I hope you like this makeup look and I hope you like the idea behind it. I was trying to do something for beginners, which most of the people recommended me to do. Also, if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye bye. See you in my next video.